Do you know who is doing the art?
We have an artist actually here.
Who is the artist?
These two.
You too?
Yes, they are the artists for showing this artwork.
You don't want to say anything?
No.
But
what are you? How are you gonna use this material, this video?
I will tell you.
Yeah.
I'm doing the research about the space, but I'm also using the material because I do have a YouTube channel where I expose normally psychodrama work. What about the other room?
It's just a small room. So, it used to be connected to our room. So this wall in the center, it's a kind of the building later after the wall.
Okay.
So it used to be, the one big room before.
So it was a huge space.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's being used just for meeting.
For meeting or lectures or workshop or small artist talks. Or we also as a member of this association can come together for gathering. So this is more like communal space right now.
And for how much time have you been working as a secretary in the organization?
I came to office 2020.
2020. And now I'm curious, where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
You are Japanese lady. I am a Brazilian. Okay. So, and what about the other side? Is there another? There are now three different pieces or not?
Yes, we also have, here's a more back room. It's for technical equipments there.
You said you don't want to be filmed, but I look at your picture there, so you are not that shy.
And this is a kitchen. So this is a kitchen. And then we also have it's a kind of our office / archive room. So we have.
And what about the other space?
This is also the studio, artist studio.
Okay. So this was. I'm sorry. So this was also used as one single room. Okay, so now it has been reduced to 1/3. Okay. Well, fine. I don't want to take too much of your time. I have just to. Well, this is the publications that.
Not published by us, but the important discourse for us to understand what's going on in art and feminism, and yeah.
Okay. Now it's finished, so I'll be going downstairs. There is one more thing that I would like to show you. Yeah. It's actually the Sacher Hotel. I don't know how do we pronounce that, but what Michael Wieser told me was that when Moreno used to come to do his Theater on top of this building, he would be staying in this hotel so that he could look from one of these windows what was going on at the other side. Well, that's it. Now let's come to our normal days.